TSF observed a Black Day protest in Agartala today to register the continued dissent against the Citizenship Amendment Act. The protest, which is a part of a larger Northeast regional movement, was staged at the North Gate area of the capital. The TSF and NESO has designated December 11 as Black Day to commemorate the passing of the continuous Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Rajya Sabha on this date. The TSF student body had vehemently opposed the bill, taking to the streets to protest when it was presented in the Rajya Sabha. Despite their agitation, the bill was passed and subsequently became an act. The TSF and Northeast Students Organization leadership decided to observe December 11 annually as a Black Day to remind the public and the government of their fundamental objection to the act. On Thursday, the TSF and NESO, along with other student organizations across the Northeast, marked the day with strong protest. The demonstration in Tripura held at the North Gate saw TSF leaders address the media to explain the purpose and significance of observing the Black Day.
TSF protest sumutu klairgani taisa je didin ai salo 11 tarikh December Rajya Sabha wo je Citizenship Amendment Bill CAA Act klaimani pass klaimani abon tinai dini notice gunangai protik rajya wono dini makiro je Black Day o salo sumutu klayo tambai ke o salo tambai mutu klaiga ke abono suni sameno asik Bos asik rumah anlon play pakai notice to. Hai pernah, je sini borong ni kok nak kena yawi government, citizen ni jata rights nak kena yawi, kok nak kena yawi, bong ni nak mana kena yawi, apa nak for against kali ni je bina pass play mani. Apa sini bayi belai sini saya, apa belai oh je Citizenship Amendment Act selama ini, citizenship nani, je paten panen no, apa ni ini sini Black Day orang palai jamu.
Maksud apa palai jamu no?
Semua kaisa mutu player nani hani hai tese je sini boror no mutu player nani je abon tapun gosi nai meya amon bain sini ora as a remembrance je os halo je Rajya Sabha Indian government sarkar abono pass primary against the will of people amon baginai sini ora sarapsa mutu player nani pan sun as a Black Day observe fight on TSF nani sun as konya ora timi hai pono sun je mansak awai lainnya yang tidak tahu di media channel di bising news channel di bising tam no kata je lukurok moi kau mutu tongtu os halo nogo tongi borok sak sak no palai nani je os halo mutu palai nani je tini hai salo ekdom ain hamia al je bino tri pass pani abono mutu palai na bagino borno amah kira borno mutu palai tong for notice lagi amari
Oke, sara notice ini hai palai tong.
Sara notice no janja time tongo baksa ba 11 ta kon time no baksa 12 ta time no habono sara notice gunami no amo dini Black Day observe kani
je an kasus kok no je jorawo CAB pro ma to pari misimi chengi guli boksa kha to bangma jaga aba ke protest rak lai jakha ya ba jora kaisawo kogai thangbai regional party ro je o CAB ni bagai jeti prasan bai kok sai dongani kai nora khai TSF ngai tangai bar o kok no nor teisa bar ma manju ba ba ya bro
nadi ang theng samai sintamai ma manju ga ke abono je sini bagi ain hanil islam ga sin kogi mania amang semu tu perena mutu tamai ke ba sin bai sasaya hani bagi no sin TSF ama kogi sini khawo tong TSF sini ya abo sara Tripura ni borok je Tripura sara semu tu tong nang mai tayang kogi be borok mutu tong abo tambang ke sini bagi hamia hani bai sung amon mutu kogi khanya je asuk protest khaiman ya golobo asuk sing amon gosi neme man ya golobo sini sako je ain hamia thapai rumani ama belai ke saya han bai sung TSF ro as an organization sabon mutu kogi han bai mutu khairani kan muk khaimani sung sabon tingo CAA no 6 schedule ba ILP state logo kono kamu teba zaga hunpano kok orosi je su borok artibem no on state of 36 schedule by ila lan tamin di bagi hamiang kake makin puran notice di bagi hamiang man tu kahamung man ba di puran bai kahamung man ba kaisa site of sibin hamiang so ta esa dot kaham kamu dong man ya apa ke double standard hanya bagi sun ono na mutu
They reiterated their long-standing fear that the implementation of the CAA will drastically alter the demographic and cultural balance of Tripura and the entire Northeast region, negatively impacting the rights of the indigenous people. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.